So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can instantly create a QR code of any link just by using Canva, and it's a total free process. So just simply open the www.canva.com. It's right there. Now here click on this option of more right there, and under this you will see this option of apps. Just simply click on apps, and under here you need to search for QR code. Just simply search this, and you will notice that this first option of QR code, click on this option, hit on this option of use in new design, then click on doc, let's say, and under this section here you need to paste the link of which you want to create the QR. For example, if I write www.facebook.com and hit generate code, now within second it has generated a QR code of the same URL. Now I can use this one anywhere, wherever I want. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.